everybody, welcome back in 2022 and today 103 of my Jaguar S-Type restoration project. I have decided to continue working on the rear subframe in order to remove the rust and get this primed and painted. I will first have to press out those 6 rubber bearings, which will be today's task. I will start with the 2 smaller ones. That's where the differential was attached to the subframe. I went for this kit quite some time ago to attempt suspension bushings, but even the biggest cup is too small to use it here. I've now spent around half an hour to figure out a workaround, but I guess there's no way besides getting this into the press somehow using the hydraulic press. Those 2 bearings may be the easier task. Nevertheless, it may turn out difficult because this rubber portion extends over the seating surface, so I only can apply counter pressure on this side of the subframe. And to help this coming out, I will apply penetrating fluid at the opposite side as well. Now let's try to get this portion of the subframe into the press somehow. I see the Christmas break was a little too long and I ran out of practice. It may have been useful to extend the legs before. Yeah, seems I've now found the center of gravity. Now it's still not sitting flat, but maybe I can try one on either side. Now it seems I'm too low. Just wanna keep this in place. Doesn't look good, it's missing the support right besides the bearing. Of course, Jaguar produces a special tool, personally that's why they build it this way. The DIYer mustn't be able to remove it by himself. I just recognized that I would only need a little seating here on this side. Of course, that's alloy underneath. So let's now use the angle grinder. I would have worked hard on this with my hacksaw. This lip should now allow to support the piece from underneath inside the hydraulic press. There's now a support on either side. Let's give it a try. There's been a little bending now towards the rear. The rubber gave up. Of course, this doesn't help me at all, which means I now have to use one of those cups. It's now attempt number 3. No, come on. That's now again been around 4 hours of work without any positive result, so 2022 starts with a fail. I guess the only way to get rid of all those bearings is cutting or drilling around the aluminium core. To get this out first, and then somehow try to detach the aluminium sleeve from the frame. However, I think I'm gonna proceed with some easier task next week. See you back on my channel. Goodbye.